You just dropped $100,000 on a shiny new piece of American engineering. It has heated leather seats, a screen the size of a home theater, and enough computing power to land a craft on the moon. The commercials show this beast conquering mountain peaks and hauling massive loads through the mud while the driver sips a latte. It feels like the ultimate symbol of strength and freedom, but it is actually a $100,000 paperweight. The harsh reality is that modern trucks are built on a foundation of digital sand. If the power grid collapsed tomorrow, your high-tech chariot would instantly become a very expensive lawn ornament. One electromagnetic pulse or a sophisticated software virus could disable 99% of the vehicles on the road today. The average modern pickup truck contains over 1,000 semiconductor chips and dozens of interconnected computer modules. If just one of these tiny, fragile circuits fails due to an electronic surge, the entire machine dies. You do not own that truck, you are merely a guest in a digital ecosystem controlled by someone else. The rise of the pre-OBD survival strategy is a calculated move by those who understand the fragility of our modern world. They are quietly hunting for trucks built before 1996, the year onboard diagnostics became a mandatory federal requirement. There is a fundamental difference between a machine that needs a computer to think and a machine that works because of physics. Modern trucks are designed for total lifecycle monetization. They do not want you to fix your own truck with a wrench. Your modern truck is constantly communicating with a network, sending data back to the mothership. It is a leash made of fiber optics. In a large-scale technological disruption such as a massive solar flare, the sensitive electronics inside modern vehicles would fail instantly. The older and more mechanical the machine, the more likely it is to survive a total technological failure. Let us talk about the first legend of mechanical survival, the 1989 to 1998 Dodge Ram. The heart of this beast is the Bosch P7100 mechanical injection pump. It uses no computers to manage the engine. You could rip the battery out while driving down the highway and that Cummins would not even skip a beat. Some people will ask why the famous Ford 7.3-liter Power Stroke is not at the top of this list. While that engine is legendary for its durability, it fails the ultimate survival test because it relies on an electronic control module to fire the injectors. In a world where high-end electronics are disabled, that great Ford engine becomes a massive, unmoving lump of cast iron. It is a hard truth for Ford fans to swallow, but reliability in the suburbs is not the same thing as resilience in a catastrophe. For those who prefer the smell of gasoline over diesel, the ultimate choice is the 1987 to 1996 Ford F-150. This 4.9-liter inline-six engine was built with an industrial mindset, featuring 7 main bearings and a gear-driven camshaft. There are no timing belts or chains to snap. The core of the machine is so robust and simple. It can be kept running with basic tools and a bit of ingenuity. It is a workhorse that values function over fashion. If you are looking for a global solution that can survive the harshest environments, look no further than the 1980s Toyota Hilux. Specifically, the models equipped with the carbureted 22R engine. This truck is nearly impossible to kill. It is the mechanical equivalent of a cockroach, designed to outlast the end of the world. As awareness grows, these analog machines are rapidly disappearing. Preparedness communities are buying them up and tucking them away. A truck from 1992 is actually more valuable than a truck from 2025 when you consider long-term independence. Modern vehicles tie us to a corporate infrastructure. They want us dependent on their software, technicians, and data streams. But when you sit behind the wheel of a purely mechanical truck, you are the one in control. You can repair it, maintain it, and operate it without asking for permission from a computer screen. Is a heated steering wheel worth the risk of being stranded when the world gets complicated? The path to true security is often found in the rearview mirror, looking at the mechanical triumphs of the past. If you value this perspective, please subscribe and join our community. We are here to navigate the complexities of the modern world together,